Diaz, pass to Mahinay. Back to Diaz. Mahinay. So, Hagos, pull up. Using the glass for 2 points. Kay Mahinay, 80 seconds on the shot. Nabigay kay Mahinay. For 3.
Hi guys.
And San Esteban. Yung mababa din nilarga yung jersey number 15. Bola mapupunta. Jersey number 41. All around. 2 points for jersey number 41. J.R. Diaz. Jersey number 15. Ocampo. Ocampo with the ball. Pass to jersey number 59. Back to Ocampo. Pass sa labas. Diaz. Pass to jersey number 39. No good. Jersey number 59. To jersey number 24. To Ocampo. 2 points for jersey number 15. Ocampo. Kanainay. Pass to jersey number 8. Fake attack. No good. Makakuha. Out of bounds. Kanainay. 8 on the shot clock. Hagos. To jersey number 20. 3 on the shot clock. Hagos pull up. No good. Latino with the ball. Pass to jersey number 22. Number 22. Pass to Ocampo. Ocampo waiting for his team. De La Cruz for 3. Passes it first. Diaz babawi. No good. Tapi ka muna kayo Ocampo. To jersey number 22. Fade away. No good. Tapi ka mapupunta kay Kanainay. Tapi ka mapupunta kay jersey number 22. Ocampo. Up another. No good. Nakakuha. Diaz. Diaz. To jersey number 4. Hagos. Pull up. No good. De La Cruz with the board. Latino on that side. Binigay kay jersey number 2. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. 10 on the shot clock. Ocampo. Ocampo making a move. 5 on the shot clock. Matatapigan ni Diaz. Tapigan ko na po muna. 3 on the shot clock. Tinira long. 3 agad. Nakakuha ni jersey number 20. 4. Hagos. Pass to Diaz. Diaz nagmamadali. Diaz. Out of bounds. Latino on the move. Kanainay on the attack. Basket yan for Kanainay. Pass to jersey number 32. Ortelino. Pass to Ocampo. Pass. Pass to jersey number 1. What the pass? Kanainay. Pass. Diaz with the ball. Diaz pass to Hagos. Pull up. Basket for jersey number 24. Pass to Ocampo. Pass to Platino. Platino. Atake sa gitna. No good. Rebound by Hagos. Forward pass to Diaz. Sobrang bilis. 2 points. Platino. Number 24. Behind the arc. No good. Kanainay. Kanainay. Pass to Macalintal. Macalintal ang data. Umikot. Medyo Danilo. Makakuha ni Platino. Platino. Forward. De La Cruz to Ocampo. Matatapik ni De La Cruz. Behind the arc. No good. Tapik ang bola mapupunta kay jersey number 7. Pass to Diaz. Pull up. Ilistang na. Ocampo on that sack. Side-stepping move. No good. Nakakuha ni Hagos. Hagos with the ball. Hagos with the cross. Matatapik. 2. Ilaga. Attack. No good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 22. Ortizano. Pass to Kanainay. So Hagos ay basic foul. Fernando Hagos. First attempt. Basket. Good. Mamadali. Binigay ka number 24. Reyes. De La Cruz. Pass to Reyes behind the arc. No good. Nakakuha ni Macalintal. Pass to Diaz. Diaz nagmamadali. Dalawa ng babantay. Diaz. Pass. Intercept by Ocampo. Ocampo nagmamadali. Ocampo on the wing. Side 7 moment na again. Macalintal with the board. Macalintal nagmamadali. Macalintal. Pass to Kanainay. Drop. Nakakuha niya pa rin. 15 on the shot clock. Attack. Platino on the attack. Up and under the bid. Ilaga with the board. Kanay-nay. Binababa ang bola. Up. Agos pull up. 2 points. Piso. Reyes to Platino. And there. Diaz with the cross. Diaz on the attack. Reyes. Pass to De La Cruz intercept. Forward pass. Kay Hagos. Hagos on the attack. Tinignan pa. Eyes to eyes with the Reyes lead. Fernando Hagos. 3-point lead. Reyes on the attack. Pass to Gordo. Up and under the bid. Tapigan. Napupunta kay Reyes. 2 points. Makalintal, pass to Kanay-nay fake, pass, Makalintal, to Hagos sa ilalim, what a drop, coming from Makalintal, pass to De La Cruz for Dre, Neves, Gordo, pass to Gordo, umikot, medyo nagino, papupunta kay De La Cruz, Pumungo, tumalsik ang bola, pass to, up, pass to Diaz, back to Kanay-nay, up, there's a para sa first quarter. Binigay, tabi ka naman na kayo ng Cruz. Intercept by Diaz. Uy, nakasita na ako kay Diaz. Diaz with the cross. Diaz with a shot. What a shot! Binigay, kay Platino. To Gordo. With the left, no good. Reyes behind the arc. Air ball. Makakuha ni Makalintal with the cross. Makalintal. Pass to Kanay-nay drop to Hagos again. Nakakuha ni Diaz pull up his lead. 10 seconds time remaining. For Gray, no good. And at the first quarter, official score 21-9 in favor of Boral 1. Iwan. Diaz on the attack, pass. Nice shot, coming from jersey number. Number 7, Ocampo. Pass to jersey 4 number 1, pass to Gordo with a left layup, too strong. Binigay kay De La Cruz. Basket for De La Cruz. Back to Mahinay, to jersey number. Nice. Nakuha nila. Cruz, pass to Gordo, no good. Mahinay to Diaz, so jersey number 23, no good. Nakakuha forward pass to jersey number 15, Ocampo making a move, Mahinay with the ball, pass to Sulapas, attempt for Dre, too short, makakuha ni Diaz with the ball, 10 on the shot clock. Diaz on the attack, pass to Mahinay, to Makalintal, no good. Nakakuha 3 on the shot clock. Mahinay, it's good. Gordo, pass to jersey number 77 to jersey number 2. Razal, ball, pass to Sulapas for Dre. Touches and through. Jersey number 77, Mingwin again. Tapigan kanya ulit, Mingwin. At saka again, nagod pa rin. Kanya ulit, isa pa ulit. Nagod pa rin. Nakakuha ni Sulapas. 3 runs in a row, but no good. Diaz, umikot, iwan pati bola. Diaz, pass, intercept by Razon on the attack, Razon. Basket niya. Pass to Sulapas for Dre, isa pa. No good. Green, pass to Sulapas for Dre. Ilan pala. Kanay-nay for Dre. No good. Tabi ka na pumunta kay Gordo. Forward pass to Mingwin. Mingwin with the cross. Iwan pa rin ba lang ako ni Kanay-nay. Kanay-nay nagpapadalay. Pass to Elaga. Making a move sa ilalim. Nice to Gordo. Forward pass. Mapupunta kay Mingwin. Intercept. Mapupunta. Kanay-nay on the side. Setting very good. Pass. Number 15, Ocampo. With a shot. Again. Razon. Foul. Kanay-nay. Cross sa labas. Nagad. Tabi ka na muna. Mingwin. Forward pass. Ocampo. Ocampo. Ice to ice. Bahinay. Bahinay on the attack. Pass sa labas. Pass to Kahinay. Pass to Bahinay to nine. Mingwin. Pass to intercept by Ilaga. Ilaga pass to Kanay-nay. Kanay-nay on the attack. Kanay-nay. Good. Pass to Bahinay. Bahinay. In the middle. 2 points. De La Cruz. Pass. Sa ilalim yung kapatay ng Luciano. Ocampo with a turnaround. Good. Tapi ka mapupunta. Mapupunta. Ay jersey number 12 sa ilalim. Binigay. Up. Kanay-nay. Back to Mahinay. Pass to Ilan. Pass to Sulapas for Gray. Too strong. Tapi ka mapupunta kay Kanay-nay. Falling on the shot lock. Kanay-nay. Kailangan sa ilalim. Bumunggo. Up. Down sa shot lock. Ilan for Gray. 3 points. De La Cruz making a move. De La Cruz. Spin. Razon. Razon. Pull up. No good. Tapi ka mapupunta Mahinay. Mahinay on the attack. Mahinay. Stop and pump. Yes, good. Burgers. De La Cruz. Babaway ng 3. No good. Ilaga. Mahinay. Pass to Kanay-nay. Fake. Attack. Basket down for jersey number 23. Ocampo. Ocampo making a move. Ocampo pass. Tumingin for Gray. Babawi. No good. Makukuha. Tapi ka mapupunta. Kay jersey number 7. Gordo. No good. Tinapik. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to jersey number 7. 8 on the shot now. Pass to jersey number 7. That's up. No good. Nakakuha na Ilaga. Pass to Kanay-nay. Kanay-nay. 2 points for jersey number 18. Ocampo. Pass to jersey number 77. Mingwin. 8 on the shot now. Pass. Kay jersey number 4. No good. Isa pa. No good pa rin. Mapupunta kay jersey number 7. Gordo. Gordo on the attack. Pass to Ocampo. 15 on the shot clock. No good. Tapigan na kayo Ocampo ulit. Ocampo. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to jersey number 22. Number 22. Pass to jersey number 18. Behind York. No good. Nakakuha yung jersey number 23. The jersey number 22, Mahinay. Open, no good. Pasok with the board. 50 seconds remaining. First pass. To sa labas, tinignan pa.